Hey you guys, we're gonna jump right into the video today. This is the way that I'll be applying for you guys. I'll drop the details in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy, of course. Here we go with my peanut head. I'm showing you guys what I do with the straps in the back. This is the usual, nothing new. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my head, and I already pre-cut the lace because I try to do the whole keep the lace on and cut it. No, it just don't work for me. So I pre-cut the lace before I put my wig on, and then I put my wig on to see what I'm working with better. That just works better for me. So yeah, at this stage, I'm really just feeling the hair, seeing where I want to lay it on my head. This lace was straight ugly. But, you know, we gonna finesse, so it's gonna work out. I decided where I wanted my wig to lay, so I'm about to just cut off the little extra lace that you see right there. And throughout the video, I'm going to tell you what not to do, because honestly, I did a lazy girl version of applying your wig because it was like 12 a.m. and I just wanted to get the video over with, you feel me? But it's okay because it still came out good. Now, let's look at this lace because it's so ugly on my head. But it's okay because it gotta go, and it is gonna go. I don't know what told me to try to cut the lace on my head. I be trying to do extra stuff for YouTube, but it just wasn't working. So I just took it off and cut it for myself. Now I'm about to just throw it right back on my head. Okay. It's a look. Some people wear their wigs like that. You know, we're not judging here. Free judgment channel. As soon as I put it on my head, I realized I forgot to put foundation on the lace to make it really blend with my skin tone, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm brushing my hair back now so I can get a clear look at the hairline. Okay, this hairline was really dense, and mind you, I did not pluck this. Well, before this video, I didn't pluck it. So yeah, we gonna do something slight to finesse it because it's late and I don't feel like doing the whole plucking method right now. The mousse I used was something I just picked up at the beauty supply store. I usually use Nairobi. Make sure you get that. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. Here, I'm starting to pull out little hairs so I can pluck the hairline. I did minimum plucking, you guys. I really just did the amount that it took to make it look somewhat realistic, you know. Not completely, but enough to where I could pass, basically. This baby was dense, you guys. Do you see my face? I was so fed up. I was like, why is this hairline so thick? After plucking, I was looking at the wig and I'm just like, it still looks hella dense. And after all that plucking I did, but I also knew that I was gonna finesse it, so I wasn't even worried, to be honest. My face was literally like, what is going on? But you know, not even too pressed, because at the end it comes out perfectly fine and it looks good, so it's okay. At this point, I was satisfied with the amount of plucking that I did. And so I'm about to put some glue on my forehead so I can lay the wig down. For this install, I use Ericka J's adhesive glue. It's called Hold Me Down. I absolutely love this glue. It makes my wigs last forever, especially with the method that I usually use, not the one in this video. But yeah, y'all go get it. I will put a link in the description box to where you can purchase this glue. Okay. Here's a tip on what not to do, you guys. Usually I will use a wig cap, but you know, like I keep saying, it was late. Honestly, I didn't have a wig cap this time to be using, to be honest. But yeah, use your wig caps to protect your edges, okay? We don't have time for this glue to be ripping out our edges and that's looking crazy, you feel me? One thing I messed up on was I didn't mark where I wanted my legs to lay. So please do that, because then you'll use extra glue when you really don't have to, which is exactly what I did. But I cleaned it off afterwards. So yeah, always mark where you want your legs to lay. And now we wait.
And then interview me now, cause I'm getting MVP of this thing.
I'm sorry, what?
And wait. The glue is now clear, indicating it's ready to be used, basically. So I'm gonna put my lace on top of it in sections. I always do sections just to be organized and neat. And here you'll see how I over applied the glue too far ahead of my forehead. So later on in the video, I'm gonna just clean that up. This is the face of pure concentration, okay? If you don't ever have a dumb face like this while you're installing your wig, are you really installing your wig? Like, questions that need answers. Acquiring minds want to know. After I finish applying the lace onto the glue, I'm going to grab my Slade head wrap. Let me tell you why I love this product, you guys. Oh my gosh. After I designed this head wrap, I don't use nothing else on my head. I promise you, no scarves, no elastic bands, just my Slade wrap. Like, it gets me right every time. There's no failing. Wait till you get your hand on a Slade wrap. I promise you, you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Keep your eyes out. Website dropping soon. I'm going to make sure to drop the link to the social media page in my description box. Make sure you follow it so you can stay updated on when it drops, because it's something you don't want to miss, I promise you. At this point, you can sit under a dryer if you like, or use a blow dryer on top of the Slade wrap to really melt that lace into the glue. But I really just sat there and just looked cute, to be honest, because you know I am or whatever. I'm giving you a slight close-up of what Slade looks like after you tie it down on your head. I literally walk out the house with this on all the time, and I look perfectly normal because it's something casual that you can wear with any outfit. I'm going to now focus on styling the hair. So I'm going to pluck the part a little bit because the part was really a little too thin for me. I needed it a bit wider. And this, I really like plucking my part with my fingers. I just feel like it works best for me, honestly. Going back in with the mousse, I'm going to use this mousse to define my curls and really give me a sleek, shiny look. Now I sat with the Slade wrap for about 10 minutes and I'm gonna take it off now. One moment for the Slade, please, for the melt, please. Now you can see the extra glue because I clearly over applied the glue, but I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and remove it, so don't even worry about it. Just peep the melt. Peep the melt, okay? Peep the skin like scalp that I barely had to do any work for, you guys. Don't be like me. Skip this step and mark where your lace lies so you won't have to remove any extra glue, okay? But just in case you do over apply your glue, this is how you can remove it. I just take a little Q-tip, some alcohol, get to rubbing. Now I'm pulling out some baby hairs. I really don't like doing baby hairs because it takes me forever. But I only do it for YouTube. I'm really about to stop. Well, actually, this install needed some baby hairs because, that thing was deep. But this is how you finesse your wig, to be honest. At this point, I was semi-satisfied with the baby hairs that I did. I really didn't like them, but, I ran with it. I'm now going to go in with my foundation brush and use some leftover foundation. I didn't apply any foundation onto the brush. I just used whatever was on there to go around the lace to really melt it into my skin. Any spots that didn't really catch the color the first time. And this is the finishing look, you guys. Let me know if I did that damn thing. Because, personally, I feel like I did it. With the minimum work that I did, I feel like I did something. Please subscribe and comment below. Enjoy.